Good morning and welcome back to the channel. It's a little brisk this morning. Got the hoodie on. I've got 2 loads that I'm going to try to get to town. And I'm in Old Red right now letting it warm up. It's kind of cold collared. But I'm going to try to get up there and with it before all the crazies get out in town Saturday morning. So I think most of them sleep in except for people that's working and farmers. So I'm going to get it up to town first because I let the tags expire on it. And I do have insurance, but I don't have good turn signals. So I may get a ticket. But we'll talk to you here in a bit. You want to watch a man get probed. There's an underground shuttle that runs that to the scale house so they can test it. Well, the crazies was out on that load. They was all in their pajama pants. They just got up and running McDonald's and Hardee's to get them some breakfast. And I'm over here thinking about lunch already. But they got to get to the Walmart, the dollar store, and you know how it is. I just told him I'd meet him here at the field. So I ain't been here 2 or 3 minutes, long enough to feed. So we're about to get started on this field. Well, it started raining corn. There goes my profits. Well, this is usually a pretty good field. I know we've been farming it probably 30 years or better, but he says it's not turning out really good. Last I talked to him, it might get better on in the field. But I'm a little let down on this field. It's standing pretty good. So we'll just have to see when we get done what we make on it. Well, this is going to do it for me in the cornfield today. Craig's fixing to relieve me. I'm going to go home and get ready for the hayride. So I'll give you one more little look before we leave. Everything eats corn. Well, it's a little dusty, but here's the setup for this year. So let's go in here and get me something to eat. tell the reason why I do this hayride. 6 years ago, this time last year, my wife volunteered me to do the hayride for the church. I had to borrow a trailer, had to borrow hay, really didn't want to do it. But she was pregnant at the time. So the day we done the hayride, she didn't feel good that day. She wasn't due for another 2.5 months. So she said, you go on and you do it. And we had some other things going on that day too, a little fall festival. So I'd check on her, she'd say, go ahead and do it. And I said, well, I can get somebody else. I said, I'm set up, somebody else can do it. And she said, you go ahead and do it. So I done the hayride. And I called her when I got done. I said, are you okay? And she said, no, let's go to the hospital. So I had twins born that night, my second set of twins. I got twins at 10. The second set of twins, and they'll turn 6 here in a couple of days. Seth is in kindergarten. Lucy was stillborn. So it's the reason why this means so much to me. So I'm gonna close the video out right here. Hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching, and give it a thumbs up. Till the next time.